Good morning or afternoon, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. As you guys can see, I have pretty much covered the whole interior of the car with the anti-rust coating that I got, and this is the passenger side. I just finished doing this area. I'm just letting the coating cure. So once this is cured, then the next step is going to take place. But before this, I did the left side, the driver's side. As you guys can see, it's all done. And I even did the sides, as you can use those sides and the braces and all that too, just in case if rust ever gets there. You might be wondering about this section, why I didn't do this, because of this rust here. This area is gonna get cut right around here, and a new piece is gonna go on this. So I'm waiting for the welder to come so we can do that. But in between, I figured, okay, let's make another video and show you guys how nice this coating went on, as you guys can see. So the next step after this is installing these guys. These here is a Noico black 80mm car sound deadening mat. So here are these mats. They're very thin, as you guys can see, and they don't weigh that much, but by itself. But trust me, like, this box is a heavy box, so there's going to be some weight going on to the car, but this is how it is. And so I'm going to start applying these in the car. The plan is to start right from up there, right up there where the floor meets the firewall, and go a little bit more, couple inches into the firewall, and then make my way back. I've already made a plan that I'll show it to you guys, how it is, and you guys can see it. So basically, I'm gonna come down. There's gonna be split. I'm gonna go a little bit to the onto the transmission tunnel, like about where the console is, and come back all the way to this point right here, where is the the back, what do you call, the passenger side foot area for the floor. And then same thing's gonna happen on the outer edge, and in the center. I'm just gonna come down right there and go right into the back, underneath the the seats area, right up to up to here probably, or this bracket right here for the seats. So and then I'm gonna cover the tunnel, not all the way, not on the top, but just on the sides. And same thing I'm gonna do on the left side, and continue from the front all the way to the back, and add this material in. So this is the next step. And what they recommend for these is, once you install them, you have to roll with a heavy roller to take all the crevices and all these, go over all these reinforcement things that were added, like these slits, these bumps, sorry, not slits, the bumps, and try to cover all of them. So let's see, this is gonna be an interesting task, another challenge. And as I've taken many challenges before with this build, this is gonna be another one of those things. And so far everything has been going good, and knock on wood, and this will be another successful results that I'm gonna get from this.